Nobody sees the version of you that deletes old photos at 2 a.m., starts a routine nobody asked about, or quietly stops being who everyone thought you were. That's not a breakdown. That's a rebuild, happening away from everyone, on purpose. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the biggest changes in a person's life almost never get announced first. Telling people turns change into a performance. The moment you announce "I'm changing," there's suddenly an audience, people watching to see if you'll follow through. Psychologist Peter Gollwitzer studied this and found something surprising. People who publicly announced their intentions were actually less likely to follow through than those who kept them private. He called it a premature sense of completeness. Announcing the goal tricks the brain into feeling like progress already happened before any real work is done. So going quiet isn't hiding. It's protecting the one thing that actually gets it done. But there's a second layer. It's about what failure costs you. If nobody knows you're trying, nobody's watching if you fail. Public failure carries weight. Most people don't want to touch the awkward follow-up questions, the "so how's that going?" from someone who already knows the answer. Private failure costs almost nothing. You can quit, restart, change direction completely, and nobody has to know. That freedom is what lets people take real risks, instead of only attempting things they're already sure will work. Which brings up something people rarely admit. Sometimes the biggest threat to a fresh start isn't failure, it's other people's opinions. Half-finished changes are fragile. A new habit 2 weeks in, a mindset you're still testing, all of it can be knocked over by one confident opinion from someone who wasn't asked. Comments like that don't have to be malicious to do damage. They just have to land while the thing you're building is still too new to defend itself. Staying quiet is protection for something that isn't finished being built yet. This is exactly why, from the outside, the whole thing looks sudden. By the time people notice the change, they're not watching the process. They're watching the result. Months of quiet decisions, quiet failures, quiet restarts get compressed into a single moment that looks instant. People call it sudden because that's genuinely all they ever saw. The rebuild itself was never sudden, it just finally became visible. So if you've ever rebuilt something about yourself without telling anyone, that wasn't secrecy out of shame. It was you protecting something fragile long enough for it to actually become real. The version of you everyone else eventually sees and calls sudden was built entirely away from an audience, and that was never a flaw in the process. That was the process. If this made you think differently about the changes you've kept to yourself, subscribe for more videos that unlock the psychology behind everyday human behavior. And tell me honestly in the comments, what's one change you made in complete silence that nobody found out about until it was already done?